Beautiful and creative styling is a skill every stylist should have. I have created a unique student-only program that maps to both the long hair styling and the braiding units. I studied every single look that is required to pass these units, and then I matched it with a look that is current in today's hair fashion. Each look has a video tutorial along with matching head sheets and also step-by-step PDFs that you can either look at on your mobile phone or you can print out and pop into your workbooks. As part of this program, we encourage all our students to upload their work so that in turn we can then send you personalised certificates of participation. Styling is absolutely nothing to be afraid of. Working with amazing tools will help your work be faster and easier. So we have included in this program a pack of tools for every single student. I'm Lorna and this is my exclusive student program. If you're in the education world, I'd love to hear from you. We'll make an appointment and I will personally take you on a virtual tour to show you through the program. Look forward to hearing from you.